How to show followers on Facebook profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can show followers on your Facebook profile. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook application from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. Then tap onto your profile on your top page. In here, tap on three-dot icon just beside edit profile. Then tap on turn on professional mode. Turn it on. The settings will show all your friends as your followers. Now go back and refresh your page. As you can see, there are 3 followers for this account, and now when somebody search for this profile, they can see this profile is being followed by 3 people. Just like so, this is how you can show followers in your Facebook account. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.